As a planner or installer, you face new challenges every day. Customers want lighting systems that do everything. Promote health and protect the environment while being energy efficient, cost-effective, future-proof, flexible, low maintenance and easy to use. EasyLooks lets you achieve all that with decentralized cross-room light control based on the industry standard DALI 2. Using APC presence detectors as controllers and supplementary BMS presence detectors as input devices that are easy to install and can be set up using an app. The APC presence detectors of the compact series support two-way Bluetooth communication and feature an integrated bus power supply. They are optimized for false ceilings and can be installed without any additional accessories. And for suspended ceilings, you simply need a standard drill bit. The APC presence detectors from EasyLooks control up to 16 groups and 64 operating devices across rooms. With presence and daylight-dependent constant light control and up to 16 scenes. Higher configuration levels also feature human-centric lighting, time functions, and a swarm function, for instance. And the Easy app makes customization after installation incredibly easy. We show you how to install and program our solution in 5 simple steps. Starting with planning and preparation. Let's assume you've been asked to set up the lighting in a company's office space. No problem. But the customer has their own special requirements. The requirements for Zone 1, customer service, are different to those for Zone 5, the meeting room. Each area has its own particular requirements that the customer wants to take into account. Once again, no problem with EasyLooks. The first thing to do is select the locations for your detectors. A single APC presence detector is sufficient to control the entire area. You then divide up the operating devices into groups according to the requirements. Now comes the second step. Rapid setup using the Easy app. The Easy app is available for Android and iOS. Download it and enable Bluetooth and GPS. And allow access to the camera so you can quickly identify the products. This can be done with a keyword search, item number, or even a camera scan. As simple as that. The Setup Wizard helps you configure the detector simply and quickly. After you establish the connection, the Setup Wizard wirelessly accesses the data from the detectors and you can start the addressing process. You can now create and name various groups according to your plan. Next, you need to assign participants to the groups and select the operating mode for each group. And you're done. Afterwards, you can configure the groups individually as required. By changing the sensitivity of each motion detector, for instance, or customizing the group parameters. Now you can set up the groups exactly as the customer requires. The Easy app provides very detailed setup options. Even if functions such as afterglow and orientation light are required. You can even flexibly switch groups. Imagine you're setting up a conference room with a movable partition. You're going to need various presets, depending on whether the wall is closed or open. To do that, you assign the devices in both halves of the room to groups 7 and 8. And in addition, all the devices to group 9. When the partition is closed, groups 7 and 8 are enabled, and the detectors work independently of each other. Opening the partition activates group 9, and the detectors work together again. The Easy app also allows you to configure light scenes easily. Let's take a look at Zone 4 to see how it works, the control room. Under the Scenes tab, you can set up various configurations. Create a new scene and assign the groups 5 and 6 in this case. Then design the scene, for instance, with 100% light output for concentrated working. All these settings can also be changed again at any time after installation. If you want to change the combined groups later on, go to Create Groups or alternatively to Parameterize Devices. Here you can change the settings of each individual device or add the device to other groups. With the APC detectors, BMS detectors and Easy app, you are ideally prepared for any challenge. They are easy to install and modify, and they provide the ideal solution for cross-room light control in groups. Download the Easy app free of charge and find out for yourself. And visit our website. Easy Looks, your partner for intelligent automation and lighting solutions.